Welcome in, guys. If you came across this video, it was definitely for a reason. Look, at the end of the day, I'm just here to help out the next trader, help out that next person, bring them to the next level, and to show you, like right now, for example, I'm out here in Croatia making thousands of dollars, just chilling, beach is straight to my right side. It's a good life, right? So I want to get down here, guys, and I really want to just strip down in a world of complicated noise. I'm going to strip it down right here and give you guys something very, very simple that you can apply on a consistent basis to make thousands and thousands of dollars wherever you want. So with that said, I'm going to put a little montage up here showing a couple trades or what, basically the strategy that I'm breaking down to you guys here today for completely free. Profits, broker statements, that good stuff. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Now, what do I do here? Do I chase the short selling? No, I don't. I understand that we just hit a key pool of liquidity and we have a lot of highs generated above us, so I could potentially look to target back higher. Longs look optimal here. The draw is just way too strong. Okay, I'm going to take this. This looks good to me. The highs look... I'm going break even. I'm going break even right now. And okay, I just made an absolute bag. Oh my goodness. Alright, so the very, very first step that is absolutely essential to this model here is you need to start on the daily time frame, okay? And once you're on that daily time frame, you want to find specifically a daily candle that is trading down into a higher time frame key level, okay? So this is going to be in a bullish example. So not to make it complicated, right? This is going to be a bullish example. So everything that I'm going to be saying here, you can just reverse for a bearish scenario, okay? So right now, I'm looking at this down candle right here for a very specific reason, because it's diving down into with a nice assertive retracement into a higher time frame key level. So in this case here, it's very simple. All you're looking for is an old low, number one, or some type of inefficiency that's being traded down into. In this case here, you can see this candle. I like this one because it's doing both, right? So right here, you can see this volume imbalance. That's an inefficiency in price. Okay, if you zoom in, you can see that the separation between these two candles. That is an inefficiency in price. So we trade down into that, and we're also smacking this old low right here. So along with that inefficiency in price being dove down into, we also are tagging this old low in price right here. So we have an old low to work up off of and an inefficiency in price. So now once you establish step number one on the daily time frame in a bullish example, right? What is it? It's that daily candle trading into an inefficiency or an old low. Very, very simple. Nothing complicated at all. So once you establish these price points, now what I want you to do for step two is also something very simple, and that's scale down to your intraday charts, okay? And go to the New York session, and what I want you to do right now is take two vertical lines, and what you're going to do with these vertical lines is you're going to place them right here. You're going to place them at 10 a.m., right, all the way to 12 o'clock, okay? This is the only thing that you're considering in price. You don't care about anything else. This is the only thing that you're looking at, 10 a.m. to 12 o'clock, all right? And what exactly are you looking for inside of this range? Well, this is going to lead us into step number three. Okay, step number two was just simply the time aspect of this, 10 a.m. to 12. That 2-hour time pocket is what you're looking at. So when we scale down, inside of that time pocket, step number three, you guys can't even believe how simple this is. Well, the fact of the matter is, this is only going to work if you're disciplined and patient, right? Step number three. Step number three, I want you to dive down into the 1-minute chart specifically. And what do we have here? What you're looking for, number one, some type of old low to be swept. I don't care what it is. Okay, remember, this is all delivering out of that daily higher time frame key level, inefficiency or no low. You want some form of a short-term low to be ran. Boom. That is it. Once you have that, this is what you need. Very important, guys. Don't skip this part. Look at the 9:30 opening. Watch to see from that 9:30 opening, okay? Very, very simple stuff here, guys. Don't overcomplicate. You can watch it multiple times if you have to. Look at that 9:30 opening. And I want you to look at what highs are created out of that 9:30 opening. Very simple. So we open at 9:30, price rises up, creates these highs, right, from 9:30 to 10 a.m. So whatever highs are generated from that 930 opening, okay, the opening range high, I want you to mark that out. And if we trade away from that, okay, this is when things get interesting. We're tagging an old low. We have that 930 high left open up here. Okay, but it has to be some type of smooth top like this. Look at this right here. See these relative highs? Okay, you want it to be a clean liquidity pool like this. All right, so once you sweep that low, what do you need to see? This is the final thing inside of step number 3 of this entire strategy. You want a light bulb displacement in the direction of that time-based liquidity. What is time-based liquidity? Whatever the highs that are created out of the 930 opening. Very simple, okay? Light bulb displacement, once again, very easy. I want you to look for multiple fair value gaps created after we sweep out a short-term low. So in this case here, oh, we sweep that short-term low, yes indeed, and then do we create multiple fair value gaps? Yes, we do. So what I want you to do from there is I want you to hunt any long entry. In this case here, you can long this fair value gap, or you can long this old swing high right here. It doesn't matter, okay? You have absolutely everything that you need at this point. I mean, this is quite literally the most simple strategy that you're ever going to find in such a complicated industry that's oversaturated with lies and just a lot of stuff that I can go over, but I'm not going to. I hope you guys found this one insightful. Okay, you're going to see how much this repeats, but the key is, if you made it to this part of the video, you're the one that's really going to succeed, because you need to hear this. This model does not perform every single day. So if you're expecting to go into the charts and find this every single day, you're going to be disappointed. So if you're really selective, you're disciplined, you're patient, right? You're not addicted to the marketplace, and you just simply have composure and self-control, this model will work. So with that said, once again, I hope you guys found this one insightful. Happy hunting, good luck, good trading, and I'll see you guys in the next one.